गुड मॉर्निंग माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स। कल मैं आप सबसे मुखातिब था। कक्षा 12 अंग्रेजी प्रोज के प्रथम पाठ ए गर्ल विद अ बास्केट के संदर्भ में आज मैं आप लोगों को आपके पोइट्री के प्रथम पोएम कैरेक्टर ऑफ ए हैप्पी लाइफ के बारे में आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ। यह पोएम कैरेक्टर ऑफ ए हैप्पी लाइफ सर हेनरी वुटन के द्वारा रचित है, जिसमें कवि मन, मस्तिष्क और आत्मा के उन तमाम सारे गुणों पर प्रकाश डाला है जो गुण एक मानव के जीवन को वास्तव में हैप्पी बनाते हैं। 24 लाइन की ये कविता है, 4 लाइन का 6 स्टेंजा है और सभी पद्यखंडों में कवि उन विशेषताओं का जिक्र किया है जिन्हें अगर हम अपने अंदर डेवलप कर लें, कल्टीवेट कर लें, क्रिएट कर लें, तो हमारा मानव जीवन वास्तव में सुखी जीवन बन जाएगा। माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, I think all of you have now been familiar with me. I am Jagmohan Tiwari, principal of your college. And right from the very beginning, I have been teaching English to the intermediate students. I am going to teach you something about the poem Character of a Happy Life, composed by Sir Henry Wotton. Character of a Happy Life is a didactic, means शिक्षाप्रद, an instructional poem full of moral lessons to be imbibed by all human beings to make the life truly happy. There are 6 stanzas containing 24 lines in the poem Character of a Happy Life. The poet gives us a moral lesson in a very simple, sweet and beautiful language to us. He is giving more and more stress on this very fact that truly happy life, rather we should say true happiness, does not lie in material wealth or physical comforts. True happiness does not lie in material wealth, dhan daulat, and physical comfort, sharirik, aisho aram, but it lies in the qualities of character and soul. The poem Character of a Happy Life deals with the qualities of head, heart and soul. The poet Sir Henry Wotton gives inspiration to all of us to cultivate such merits in us that will change our life style and will bring permanent happiness. The poem Character of a Happy Life gives us the definition of the life of a truly happy man. The poet wants to make us the seekers of true happiness. सीकर्स बना है SEEK. सीक का मतलब ढूंढना, तलाशना, खोजना. सीकर्स ढूंढने वाला, तलाशने वाला, खोजने वाला. So the poet wants to make us the seekers of true happiness. And it is up to us to find out where, in what way we can find true happiness. We must have some essential qualities of head, heart, and soul to make our life happy. The characteristics of a truly happy man are self-dependence. माने वास्तव में वे कौन से लक्षण या गुण हैं जो हैप्पी मैन के लाइफ में पाए जाने चाहिए. द पोएट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट. ही सेज दैट द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ ए ट्रूली हैप्पी मैन आर सेल्फ डिपेंडेंस, ऑनेस्टी, ट्रूथफुलनेस, कंट्रोल ओवर पैशंस and fearlessness. My dear students, a happy man has no enemy. He has no ill will, no evil feeling for anybody. He has full faith in God because he is a God-fearing man. गॉड में फेथ, आस्था होने का मतलब गॉड को मानना. ही नोज दैट देयर इज गॉड एंड गॉड हैज क्रिएटेड अस ऑल. इट इज अवर ड्यूटी टू रिमेंबर गॉड, टू वर्शिप गॉड, टू हैव गॉडली फीलिंग्स इन अस. दैट्स वाई द पोएट हैज रिटन दैट a happy man is a God-fearing man. He is a lover of good company. Meaning to say is that he never chooses the company of bad people. He always chooses the company of those people who are good, noble, in all respects. As far as his love for the books is concerned, he always reads those books which are full of some moral lessons, some new teachings. He never lives in the company of dirty people, bad people. A happy man is always free from the false rumors raised by the false people of the society. He is a man of balanced mind. The balance of his mind is so strong that the flattering talks of the flatterers can have no effect upon the balanced mental state of a happy man. A happy man does not care for any rise or any fall in life. In Hindi, we can say that उत्थान पतन के भय से मुक्त व्यक्ति यह रहता है, राजा दिल का नहीं भूमिका, कुछ नहीं पर रहता सब है. My dear students, a happy man is always happy in all the ups and downs of life. Though adverse condition can disturb the balanced mental state of a happy man. He does not have any greed for worldly possessions. भौतिक संपदाओं का कोई लोभ उसके अंदर नहीं रहता है. He may have nothing on the name of property like bank balance and building. But according to the poet, he has everything because he has self-satisfaction. आत्मसंतोष है उसके अंदर, इसलिए किसी भी प्रकार का बैंक बैलेंस, बिल्डिंग जैसी भौतिक संपदाएं नहीं भी उसके पास है तो भी उसके पास सब कुछ है, बिकॉज ही हैज सेल्फ कंटेंट, ही हैज सेल्फ सेटिस्फैक्शन. एंड दिस self-satisfaction is not a thing to be purchased by making any kind of payment. It is not an ordinary thing. It is a very, very extraordinary thing because it can be had only by those who are free from all the evil feelings of the society. That's why the poet has given this information through the lines of the last stanza. That a happy man may have nothing on the name of property, on the name of money, on the name of building, on the name of land, but he has everything because he has got self-satisfaction. And this self-satisfaction is the supreme quality of a truly happy life. This self-satisfaction is realized mostly by the received saints, the persons of saintly nature. They realize it, achieve it when they are lost in meditation. So, the qualities narrated by the poet in the poem are not ordinary or extraordinary, and if we as human beings are really able to cultivate these qualities in us, our life is sure to be a happy life in the true sense, in true words. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Do your best in your studies. The teachers of different subjects of the college are also teaching you through this method of online classes, and I am quite sure that you all must be enjoying these online classes. Thank you once again. God bless you all.